Good afternoon, everyone. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere, coming back at you from Miami, Florida, my hometown. Today I'm here at Bombay Darbar, part of my Indian dish series. This is number 6. We are with Saag Paneer. Saag Paneer is a little different from palak paneer, and this is a Punjabi dish. Now, what is the difference? Well, palak is spinach. Saag is a mix of greens, so it's like mustard greens, collard greens. What else? We got kale, and we have spinach. So let's go into the Bombay Darbar, let's go to the kitchen, and let's see how they put together this incredible creamy spinach dish. Follow me.
The goal of this series is to educate you guys about Indian cuisine and show you the process of what goes into making these dishes while also supporting local businesses during these tough times. A recent survey found that 95% of businesses have been impacted by the pandemic, and 39% said they would be unlikely to survive without further government assistance unless sales go back to normal. President Biden has pushed the American Rescue Plan to help revitalize small businesses and supplement their lost income. But there are things you and I can do to help too, like being mindful of where you shop and supporting small businesses and local restaurants like Bombay Darbar.
Feels like I live in this kitchen. I'm back. Oh, what's up, bro? Good to see you too. So we're doing Saag Paneer?
Saag Paneer.
Amazing.
Saag Paneer is a traditional Indian cheese. The traditional Indian cheese. That's the cheese. Traditional Indian cheese. Yeah. Mixed with spinach. Tomato and cilantro. And sauce.
So ginger and garlic are already cooked inside the gravy, right?
Yeah.
So he added paneer, so it's cottage cheese, and he added tomatoes, cilantro, and this creamy gravy. And so the gravy is a mix of greens for this one.
Yeah.
Right? That's a lot. He's doing it super spicy for me. Super spicy, dude.
You ever tried super hot?
Huh?
You want to try super hot?
No, don't get it. He wants to kill us, dude. He wants to kill us. He's like, you want to try super hot? Not with the saag, dude.
4 or 5 minutes it'll be ready. Because everything already mixed.
Wow, so the spices in Indian food, I mean, it hits you all over the kitchen. That's the best part about walking in here, right? The aromas, it's just like out of nowhere. You have garam masala. Over here you have some chili powder. Over here we have things cooking. So, I mean, so many different combinations, right? Is every dish spicy in Indian cuisine? No. You just gotta ask them for that Indian spice if you really want it. If not, just ask them for mild. Stick to mild. You will be way more comfortable with it. If you wanna go Indian spice, do it. But be ready. You've been warned. Let me see.
So it's cooked. It's good.
All right, it's ready? Okay, so I'll get it over here. Ready. And that's it, our 6th dish, the Saag Paneer. Let's go to my house and let's eat this creamy deliciousness. And here we go, Saag Paneer, not palak paneer, Saag. What's the difference? I said it before. Palak is straight spinach. Saag, which is this one, is a mix of greens. So you have like mustard leaves. What else do we have? We have a few different leaves here. We have collard greens, spinach, and even kale. And this is a Punjabi dish. So again, in case you guys don't know where Punjab is, again, do we see it here? Punjab, right up here, right next to Pakistan, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Haryana, and Rajasthan. Incredible place. If you ever have a chance to go up here, go to Amritsar, go to the Golden Temple. You will love it. One of the most spiritual places I've ever been in my life. And you will gain a lot of weight in this state because this state is all about the cream. That's what we're gonna do right now. We're doing some Saag Paneer. So if you guys like spinach dip, same thing. Not the same thing, similar. And here we go. Oh, wow, look at this. Beautiful. This is nice and creamy. So as you can see, it's a little darker. In my opinion, this one's way darker than the palak paneer. So I'm just gonna get like a little bit of that. Boom, right there. And again, for me, I go with the naan, plain naan, beautiful. Na, 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 na. I love this, man. This is straight greens right here. I personally love collard greens. I love mustard leaves. This is, oh, and he made it spicy. I've never had a Saag Paneer that's spicy. So rich, nice, creamy, lots of greens, and then the amazing paneer, that cube-shaped cottage cheese. Oh, another level. So spicy. The spiciest saag paneer of all time. Oh my gosh. Seriously, guys, I am breaking sweats right here. And right here, push it all down like that. Let's go in and just scoop it up. Use this as a scooper, all right? Try your best. Oh, yes. Wow. So tasty. This is the best. The best. Creamy spinach. Not just spinach, lots of greens. But do not ask for it to be this hot. It's not enjoyable like this. Definitely go mild. This one deserves to be mild. It's just way too spicy. I don't love the spice with cheese, but I guess it can grow on me, right? Woo! So that's saag paneer from Punjab. Incredible dish. You have to try it. Try this one over palak. I prefer this one 100%. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. I'll see you in the next travel food Indian dish adventure with a mixed tandoor grill, I guess, right? Something like that.